Alright guys, so I have just randomly typed the keyword caps for the purpose to get some variation listings, right? Because those toothpick were not having that much variation, so I had to change the niche just to show you that how to select the variation. So here we can see there are so many versions for this cap, so let's check. Suppose we are going to launch the product related to caps, okay, and we have selected our competitor listing. Now we have came inside the competitor listing and we saw that hey, he's selling like almost 10 to 12 variations. So which variation we should select that we should launch? So we are going to use here a tool of Helium 10 that is called Review Insight. Okay, you can see this Review Insight was blur out there in the Amazon search page, but now here on the detail page of Amazon, this specific listing, it's we can now use it. So here Review Insight we will check. Just click this Review Insight. You can see this window has popped up in front of us. So now we will go click on extract reviews. Okay, so Helium 10 has extracted all the good and bad reviews for all the variations. Now we are going to check the product variations. After this, like extracting the reviews, we will click on product variations. So here we clicked on product variations and you can see what Helium 10 is showing us, that the specific SN, this here it's written, and the color is black, green, navy blue. So this variation is selling the most because you can see here the review count for this specific variation is 48. 71% of the review share is taken by this specific variation, right? And it is having 3.9 rating, so it's not good really. And the second variation which is selling the most, like basically the reviews for a specific variation and the share of those review counts. So the share for the review counts basically let us know that which variation is selling the most. If as much a product is sold, so it will get reviews, all right, like they are proportional to each other. As much sales, that much reviews. So here from the review accounts we can, and review share, we can see that which variation in this specific listing is selling the most. So we will be selecting the variation from here. Okay, now we have selected that this variation is good because it is taking some of the share, like you can see it's 16%, but you can modify, like you can just select this one as well. Its rating is not good, like it's 3.9, so I will not recommend. But if you can take out the bad aspect of this variation, you can just analyze each of the bad reviews that the listing and the variation has got, and you can take out those bad reviews and those bad experiences out of your product. Then you are good to launch the same variation, black, green, navy blue. All right, so but make sure first that you should take out all the bad aspects. All right, and this is basically a textile product. So in textile product I will not recommend you to launch because there are so many refunds specifically in textile products. So this was an overview and I have explained completely that how to select variation. And here if you are just thinking that I should check the variations here as well according to the sales. So basically the tool of X-ray is not able to let you know the sales for this specific variation. It's not that much intelligent till now. The X-ray tool will just show you the average sales for all the listing the same. It will not differentiate between the variations. It will be showing all the sales for each listing the same. So that's why we use Review Insight as an alternative. You can see here now for all of the listings, the X-ray tool is showing 387, but basically it's not right. All of these listings are not selling at 387 sales.